Hello, good morning students. So today I am going to explain you about the Indus Valley civilization, or we can call it Harappa civilization or the Saraswati civilization. The settlement pattern of the Harappa civilization was unique. Its architectural and art and craft features are also very special. So let us begin with the chapter. So in the word you are able to go through with the term civilization. What the term civilization exactly means. Civilization means the stage of man's development in which the man starts living in cities and made a lot of progress. Man does everything for the being civilized, like growing crops, wearing clothes, having proper organizations, having the proper law and order. That all things comes in the civilization. Means like now we are living in a civilized society. We are having proper administration, then we are having judicials, then we are having everything, whatever the things which are basically needed for a civilized society. So that is why it is called a civilization. So we are going to study about the Indus Valley civilization, or we call it Harappa civilization, as this place was discovered. The first place which was discovered, it was Harappa, so that's why we call it Harappa civilization, or we also call it Saraswati civilization. This civilization, the Harappa or the Indus Valley or the Saraswati civilization, it flourished near to the river Indus. As in the given map, you are able to see, bacha. Let's go through with this. This is the river Indus, and this was the region where the civilization was flourished. Harappa was the first place which were discovered. Kalibanga, Venival, Champuwala, Ganveriwala, Patani Dome, Nasharo, Gaji Shahi, Balakot, Amri. Means main cities I am just telling you: Dhauliwada, Mohenjo-daro. These were the main cities. Harappa, Ropad, Manda, Ganveriwala. These were the main cities which flourished in the Harappa civilization. Lothal was a very important trade place also in the Harappa civilization. So you can just go through with this. Now next, see, the trade was also established during this, as the region near to the sea used the sea routes for the trade. The trade during the Harappa civilization flourished very nicely. Why we study that much about the Harappa civilization? What is the importance of Harappa civilization? As you in the given map, you are able to see better this civilization flourished in a vast region of India, not only in India, Pakistan, Afghanistan. This civilization just touched. Surkotawada, Dhauliwada, they were the main important trade places of this region. Alamgirpur, Meetathal, these were also very important places. Kalibanga, you can just go through with it. Why we are studying that much about the Harappa civilization? Because this was an urban civilization and it was well planned. As in the given image, you are able to see that how it was well planned. The cities were very well planned, the roads were very well planned. They were in such a way that the streets were they were cleared by the wind. The drainage system of this era was most important feature of the Harappa civilization. As you can see in the images also, how the drainages were, they were a little bit slopey and they were covered. So this is why the Harappa civilization is very much important. The Harappa civilization was discovered by Mr. Dayaram Sahni in the early 19th. Previously, in the early 19th century, the railway construction work was going on in the place Harappa, currently in Pakistan, and the people working over there found the bricks. The bricks were in very good condition. Previously, the plan was dropped, but in the 19th century, Mr. Dayaram Sahni and R.D. Banerjee in 1921 founded a number of seals near the ruins of Harappa, and that's why curiosity began about the Harappa civilization. Then after the research work, they found the ruins of the cities, pottery, clay, beads, toys, ornaments, statues, etc. The most important thing of that civilization was the town planning. The towns were well planned. during the Harappa civilization. The streets were broad, their breadth varied up to 4 meters to 10 meters. The Indus Valley civilization provided comfort and facilities as many city dwellers in India, not to do even today also. So the comfort was very much. The sewage system, the sewage or the drainage system which was found in Lothal. The water and the sewage from the houses flowed into the pits which were joined to the main drain. So it was very much developed. The wells were found in the houses in the Indus Valley civilization. The houses were multi-storied buildings were also there founded. A big granary was also found in Harappa civilization. Great bath was discovered in Lothal. And it was discovered as Mohenjo-daro, sorry beta, and it was a very much great feature of that time. And the figurine of the bronze image, that is also a very important thing which was found in the Harappa civilization. The jewelry which was found in Mohenjo-daro, it was very much in a good condition and it was made of gold and silver. So we can say that the women in that time used to wear the jewelry made of gold and silver. The toys made of terracotta were found. The cards made of terracotta, the toys, they were found. So we can say that the children loved to play toys of that time. We also found the miniature paintings of vase. So we can say that the handicraft work was also done in that time. The pointed pots were also discovered in the Harappa civilization. The mother goddess figurine was also discovered in the Harappa civilization. With that, we can say that the mother goddess was worshipped during that period. The seals of Pashupati and the seal of ox was also discovered in the Harappa civilization. So we can say that the seals and the stamping was also done, and they had their own scripts. The written work was also done during the Harappa civilization. The dockyard in Lothal shows that as the dockyard was being there, so the trade was very much developed over there, and we also found the weights, so that we can with that we can say that the measurement system was also there during the Harappa civilization. So in short, we can say that the Harappa civilization was very much developed and rich at the 4,700 years ago, and